Mason, I'm so traumatized by watching Poopsicle get eaten by a tornado.
Well, I'll recover her right now if you want.
Yay, it doesn't smell like poo-poo anymore.
Come, I'm tired of being small. Just end my life already. I know it must be hard being small, but I can't kill you. Cup? Where were you last episode? I didn't feel like catching my best friend, so I just slept the whole time. Oh, good to know. Team, I don't know. It's time for cake and steak. Cake and steak. Okay, Team I Don't Knowers, we got our lowest vote number at 6 votes. No, why? Our subscribers hate us. Star, Splatty, and Pizza all received 0 votes. With Fork, Door, and Tomato being ahead of them by 1 vote. Now the only contestant left is Gum, and he's eliminated with 3 votes. No! I was so close! Hey, didn't your best friend just rejoin? Yeah. Hey, Mason, it's time to start the next contest, right? Of course. The contest for today is killing each other with guns. Whichever team has no members left will be up for elimination. Wait, are we actually gonna die from these? Yeah, I'm not too sure about this contest. Oh, you will die. These are real. Ugh. Take this! I don't know what I'm doing!
I will protect you, Splatty.
Oh no, we lost Cup for real!
Ah! Die, Bat Hogs, die! Oh, crap.
This gun is way too big for me to hold! Whoa, it is getting violent out there. Come on, Tomato, we can't lose for a 3rd time in a row. Yeah, the Bad Hogs may be bad, but we're badder. There can only be one contestant with a stick body, Popsicle. That's not true. We had Stick Dude. Star, Bad Hogs have only got 2 members left. We can kill them. Hey, Ver, fend off those Team I Don't Knowers, will ya? Yeah, it's getting kind of hard to see, though. Ha! I killed the former host. That felt great. Uh-oh. I'm out of bullets. Are you ready to meet your demise, Team I Don't Knowers? Yeah, we won, Star. That was the last member. Team I Don't Know wins. So that means the Bad Hogs are up for elimination. And yes, I will be recovering everybody next episode. Okay, you watching this video, vote on one of the members of Bad Hogs to be eliminated. The person with the most votes will be eliminated. Yeah,